guys, so in this video I'm going to be giving you step-by-step direction on how you can make 20k. all right, it doesn't matter where you are in Nigeria. If you're looking for how to earn money from home, okay, the new websites that you can make money from home, then keep on watching this video. Hi guys, welcome to Jiniga Finance, and in this video all I need you to do is to go to the description box as well as the pinned comment, okay, download the app first of all, so that as I give you the instructions on what to do step by step, you just be following me one after the other, so you are not confused, there's no ambiguity, you know exactly what you need to do. And I need you to share this video on Facebook, on your WhatsApp status, okay, because you may need somebody that needs this information. They need to know how they can make money from home, how they can start a business from home, okay, from the comfort of your home. All right, so when you've done that, I want you to tell me in the comment section that I just shared this video, and remember to use the code in the description box and follow instructions. So let us get started. When you download the app, you want to sign up, so you put your first name, your last name, and your email address. It's really very simple to sign up, and a password, and you create your account. All right, after creating your account, the next thing we're going to be doing is to set up your own personal shop on Swag. All right, so that's what we'll be doing now. On Swag app, you can sell anything. You can sell goods without holding any goods. So that's how you make money on this app, okay? So basically, there are different products on this app that whatever takes your fancy, right? And you don't need to hold anyone, you don't need to buy anyone by yourself. You just, all you're going to be doing is to market it, okay? So you can set up your website in minutes, okay, and have products from that you get on the app, and you begin to sell. Anyway, we're going to get into all of that. So basically, there's a marketplace on this app where there are different products, so you choose the one you want to sell, okay, and you can now begin to market the product. So there's a free trial as well as for you to see how it works, okay, if it's something that you'll be interested in long term. So let's get into the video so that you see how you can set up your shop and all of that. When you want to set up your own personal shop, so this your personal store is where you would give people to buy the things that you are selling personally. I don't know if you get, as a seller on Swag. Now this is what it looks like, okay? So we're going to be going step by step. So what is your store name? What name do you want to give your shop? You put it here. Now what heading? So let's say I am selling home goods, okay? So I'll say new household items. Let's say my own niche is household items, new household items. Then subheading, whatever you want to put, I'm going to say find the best household goods, okay? Let's type it. Find the best household goods. Find best household goods on the internet at the best price. All right, so we're not doing clearance sale, so we're just going to delete that. Also delete that. So what's my monthly target revenue? Let's put 500,000. okay? You know what your own target revenue is. So what I want to work on now is the image. So when people come to your store, they have to see something so that they know what exactly your store is all about, right? So you can do this on any editing app, all right? But if you need templates, I'll put a link to my shop in the description box where you can buy templates. All right, so let's work on this. So I'm gonna add images. This is what I want my store to look like, to show that we're into household goods. So they say changes made to your website may take up to 5 minutes, right? So let's see. Let's see the preview. My swag shop. So this is what it's looking like. So these are the things on my own personal shop. Do you get? So I have Scandinavian wooden console, baby silicone brush. I was just choosing certain things yesterday. So when somebody wants to buy from my shop, you can see that it is not everything that is on the website, that you on the app, that is here. So you choose your own what's it called now, your own niche, and the type of things that you want to be selling. So this is what you'll be promoting. Okay, so to get this shop, you guys, to get this one right, you need to pay for it. So it's not free. Okay, so you need to upgrade, but they have a 7-day trial. So now you're not buying any of these things. Do you understand? It's not like I bought this Scandinavian thing, but I can begin to market it, right? And when I sell, you see, a customer can add to the cart, go, right, pay for it. I seen they'll pay for it. Look at proceed to checkout. So you put in your customers will put in their details and everything, confirm their address, and that's 1 point something million, right, plus shipping fee, because they need to send it to them, and it will get to them anywhere in Nigeria. I seen I am not buying any of these things. The only money you are paying for is for you to be able to host your shop, payment platform, because you guys, to set up a proper e-commerce website is not being so. Then to now talk about the cost of payment gateway, your domain name and all of that. So Swag has taken all of that off you. So they said it will take some minutes for my banner to show. So let me just go back and show you guys. Okay, so you set up your own website, so you can even put up your logo, anything you want to put up. Oh, okay, it's here. So this is what I want. Huh, look at that. Hey, don't try me. Look at that. Is it not popular? Let's go back to the preview. Let's see. So I'm going to show you guys how I selected all these items in my own shop. Okay, I'm going to go back. It's not yet showing. It's not showing yet. Okay, let's see. So there are different categories of items you can sell. It depends on you. So your own, you may say, I want to focus on beauty, I want to focus on hair, whatever catches your fancy. But let's say you want to choose something that will be in your own shop. Let me show you, so that you will not say this thing is hard. It's very simple. So you see, there are different offers, there are different things here. These are the brands: OGB copiers, Pem Jolot paints, Sebastian lightnings, and all of that. So let me check the Sebastian lightnings, because I said my shop is a household item good. So anything that has to do with furnishing, beddings, and all of that, that's what I want to stock on my shop, right? So we're just going to look, and I'll select the items that I want to put in my shop. It's taking time to load. So while we are doing this, I hope you have downloaded the app and use my code, you guys. Okay, if you want to ask me questions, use my code. If you don't use my code and you come and be asking me questions, because I can see it in my back end who is using my code and who is not using my code. So if you don't use my code, I will not answer you. Anyways, I want to add this store to my brand, so I'm just going to look at this chandelier lighting. Now the selling price is 57,000, but the cost price is 55,000. So I will have a profit of 2k. I seen it, and I'm not the one that bought any of this. I just downloaded Swag and I'm using it, so it has been added to my shop. Can you see? It's so easy, you guys. I'm also going to add this other one, I will add it to my shop. See, my shop is getting full. So all I need to do is to begin to market these things online. Are you seeing? So let me look for other. This is a luxury line furniture, so we're just going to look for them. It's so easy, you guys. It's so easy to make money online. Like, you are not, the only money you are spending is to pay for your shop, okay, for your, to set up your shop, all right, and it's just 5,000 naira. That's it, and you have all this access. Look at this beautiful furniture, you guys. It's so lovely. Now the selling price is 1.8 million, but the cost price is 1.7. So I get, when I sell this thing now, I'm going to get 100,000 naira profits. Are you seeing? So it has never been so easy to make money. Look at this one, 2.8 million, cost price 2.5. Excuse me. So my profit is going to be 300,000. Now this is what I like. Oh, do you get? So for your own, you may say you want to do jewelry, right? You may say, oh, I want to do jewelry. So you choose a brand that you want to work with, you select the product you want to put on your shop, right? So you are the one that will now begin to market it. You begin to market to different people online. We're going to do another video on how you can market it, right? If you are understanding, please let me know in the comment section. So you see those new items that I selected, they are all reflected. So simple. Look at my shop, you guys. Ha. Look at my shop. I'm going to remove these two things because, yeah, see, it even has sparkles fair. Look at, can you see that? Look at, I don't know why the picture isn't showing yet. I don't know why, though they say it may take time for it to reflect, so we'll see about that. But anyway, you can see, you see all the things that are in my shop, and I did not spend 1 naira to buy any of these things. All I need to do is to promote them, okay, and people come to my shop to buy. Anyway, so let's move on from here. You need to upgrade to the premium plan to be able to have your own store. Do you understand? You can make money selling products and all of that if you don't have your own store, but if you want to have your own store, right, you need to upgrade. And the premium plan is just 5,000 naira. You get a fully customizable e-commerce website. You make your business, you professionalize your business with your own custom domain. I'm going to be showing you now how you create your own custom domain. You partner with unlimited brands, you add unlimited products from the marketplace to your own website. Then you have analytics to track what customers are actually checking on your shop. All right, so it gets the upgrade to the premium plan. So how do you get a custom domain? So how do you create your own custom domain? What does custom domain mean? So now, like, if you check this website now, what you see is sparklesphere.swag.co, right? Let me go back to my personal shop so you can see. So you see sparklesphere.myswag.com. Now if we don't want that, you want to show that you are actually a serious business person, so you can have your own customized domain. That's, let's say, sparklesphere.com, right? So that's one of the benefits of the premium plan. So now they would redirect you if you want to upgrade. You can see edit your store. We've already done that. We don't want to do that again. You can add your business name, your contact email, your phone number. If you have an Instagram page, you add it. You have a YouTube, whatever social media you have, you add it. But let's go to the domain. Now you can see that the primary domain is called sparklesphere.myswag.shop. Now if you now want to change it to something that is your own, sparklesphere.shop or whatever, Now if you already have a domain name, all you just need to do is to click here, then they'll take you to the place. Or if you don't have, you can buy a .com.ng, so it will go next. So it costs, if you want to buy .com.ng, is 2,000 naira. If you want to buy .com, it's 5,000 naira. So if I say Sparkles Fair, so you put the name of the shop or whatever you want to do, Sparkles Fair. This is my email. Let's sparklesfair.com. If I want sparklesfair.com, it's 5,000 naira. Do you understand? If I want sparklesfair.com.ng, this one is 2,000 naira. Okay, so let's say confirm. So if I want to buy for 1 year, so all I need to do is to click here. Are you seeing it? Just click. Okay, so it's going to direct me to where I will make payments, or where you will make payment depending on you, right? Now this is not compulsory, but if it's something you want to do, so you can pay with USSD. Very simple. Okay, let's say you say, my bank app, this one, what bank do you use? I use GT, so I choose GT. Are you seeing it? So all I need to do is just copy and go and pay the 2,000 naira for my domain name. Very simple. So it will now be sparklesfair.com.ng for 1 year. So that will be my shop. I can be selling whatever it is that I want to sell. Are you guys seeing that it's really very, very simple? Now you can also edit your about us on your store page. So number one household e-commerce store, let's just edit it so that you guys will see household e-commerce store. So description, that's what is your business about. So it's here you describe what your shop is about, what you sell in your shop, blah blah blah, all that story. We sell quality household goods. You know, my shop is a household goods shop. We sell quality household goods from all over the world. Stop. If you have more story, add your own address, Nigeria, put your phone number, okay, and everything. So you just save. You see, we sell quality household goods. This picture, now let's change the image here. So we're going to go and we put our own image. Put your own image. Are you seeing it? Are you see? You see, we sell quality household good, Nigeria. See, if you have a YouTube video that you want to put, maybe you can put a video talking about the story and all of that. So you just save. If you don't have YouTube video, let's just leave what was there before. Okay, then your contacts. You put your contact, your phone number, because you want people to have a way of contacting you now. That's why you're in business. Put your address, your location. There's even Google Map. Everything is so professional on this app, you guys. And see, to make money is not about spending money. This app has made it very easy for you to make money selling online. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.